Come with us as we spend 2 nights in a luxurious Airstream set in the Catskill Mountains of New York.
We also explore some of the best hikes, sips, and bites of nearby Woodstock and Saugerties. We're Meg Ryan Travels, and if you like to eat and drink your way through a new city, hit that subscribe button. You've come to the right place. Today, we travel to Autocamp here in the Catskills to experience the peak of New York's fall foliage. Autocamp is a luxury camping experience with locations all around the country. The property has tons of communal areas with fire pits, games, and even a bar.
South Lake, which is like a spicy little margarita.
Nice. Okay, we made it.
We have just checked in and gotten our first drink at the clubhouse.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, that'll do.
Spicy and delicious.
This is pretty good, actually.
Oh, look who is now driving the wagon. Approaching our Airstream now. And here she is. Cariño.
Let's check it out.
Sure. Oh, wow, shower is pretty roomy.
Oh, thank you, butler. You can put my bags right there. Gotta say, our first impressions of Autocamp are pretty incredible. This place is something special, for real. The accommodations are like beautiful, like really, really nice. Okay, here's our plan. If you're watching this, you're a friend, you're a family, you're a family.
Subscriber.
Yeah, we're gonna come back in the winter. It's gonna be beautiful. The snow is gonna be gorgeous. And we all just hang out by the fire and maybe go to the clubhouse.
Absolutely.
There's a bar.
There's a bar. There's
bar.
the perfect opportunity to come with people who don't necessarily have camping gear, that don't want to buy or rent, whatever. It's a no-fuss place, and you can just pack your bag, arrive, and have a great outdoors time.
Please don't mind my ratty ass sweatpants. Nothing to see here. The Airstream was stocked with these 2 coffee packets. See how they are. Slept great last night. Super comfortable bed. Got in bed and we watched TV. Some old SNL was on, which was perfect. Now gonna make a drip coffee. Pretty sweet. Although they do have complimentary coffee and granola in the clubhouse as well, so that's always an option.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just kidding. I think I'll have a little chocolate.
That's good. Very good. Very good. Right?
Was she? So we are on a very easy trail, probably 10 minutes away from Autocamp. This is probably going to be about a 15-minute walk to a waterfall, so should be lovely.
You can see through there. There's gonna be some sick views.
Oh my gosh, the foliage is peaking right now.
We're peaking.
We made it to this gorgeous waterfall. And we have the whole place to ourselves. So cool. Ryan has the drone up. And yeah, just taking in the beauty. Heading to Woodstock soon. Check out the shops, get some good bites and sips, and go on with our beautiful day.
Woodstock, New York, while not actually the home of the original Woodstock, is an awesome town with so much to do. There are tons of stores. I obviously couldn't miss out on some thrifting. Bread alone makes some of the most amazing baked goods. Definitely worth picking something up. This chocolate croissant was perfecto. One of our favorite spots was Early Terrible. Funky vibes for days. The cocktails were excellent, and there are so many little nooks and crannies to chill and enjoy.
Some other spots definitely worth checking out are Small Talk for Cocktails, Yum Yum Noodle Bar, Goodnight Restaurant, Sylvia for Dinner, Unfiltered has a great wine selection, and Colony for live music.
Fun fact about Catskill Autocamp is they offer 4 different ways to stay on the property. So you can stay in an Airstream like we are, or you can do kind of a small cabin, which is right behind me. And then there's also kind of like a container kind of unit that looks very luxe and modern. They also have the canvas tents available as well. So anyone who comes can be comfortable in whatever they choose. Choose your own adventure.
We got this very nice brut today at the wine store. It's gracefully.
Graceful. All right.
Oh shit! Very round. There's a good mouthfeel.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Checking out the Autocamp.
On our way out of town, we stopped in Saugerties, where we checked out the beautiful Saugerties Lighthouse. The lighthouse was built in 1869 and served as a beacon for ships on the Hudson River. It now also works as a 2-bedroom bed and breakfast, open Thursday through Sunday, year-round.
For lunch, we went to the Dutch and got some dank French onion soup and barbecue brisket. Inquiring Minds is a great bookstore with a coffee shop and records, plus this adorable dog hall of fame. Oh, hi, doggy! Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. See you on the next trip.